Hello guys, this is Hunter Stewart from Hunter Stewart Hobbies. Today we are at JP Motor Plant at Burlington West, Milepost 32 on the Oakville Subdivision. In this video we're going to get a bunch of trains if we can. So before we get in this video, why don't you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, and let's see how many trains we'll get tonight. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. It is 5 p.m. All right, we got a eastbound GO train coming down the line. We have 602. Come on, where's the symbol? Damn it, it cut out. Anyways, this train is heading to Union Station, all on this January 12th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, I won't be tracking the times when I catch these trains, unfortunately, because there's too many trains to catch. Here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Well, you look at that. We got great news here. We have a green light for a CN westbound train. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a westbound GO train coming down the line. Don't know where this train terminates, and we got cab car 306. No, 306, was I right? Yeah. I believe you got 12 passenger cars. So we have 638 and GO engine. All on this January 12th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a westbound GO train coming down the line. We have coach car 345. And we have engine number 609. Alright, all on this January 12th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. We got 9. Can't read the fucking numbers. Symbol on that train is VS76. Originates from Windsor, Ontario. Terminates in Union Station in Toronto, Ontario. All on this January 12th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I was in the middle of eating my Mary Brown's chicken and this came. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. I was in the middle of eating my Mary Brown's until this VIA train just creeped up on me, which was VS76. So we have 5711 leading, and trailing second is 8017. symbol on this train is CNA 435. This train originates from McMillan Yard in Toronto, Ontario, terminates at the East Yard in London, Ontario. All on this January 12, 2024 on Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Alright, there's the end of CNA 435. Off it goes to London, where it terminates. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. We got 6. Can't read it. This one snuck up on me, too. I was in the middle of eating. This train terminates at Union Station, all on this January 12th, 2024 on Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Kept saying 2023. It's 2024. Alright, here comes the next scene. Rolled. I stuttered. Alright, we got a CN westbound train coming down the line. We got 2782 leaving, 3840. Finally, I finished my dinner. Symbol on this train is CNL 570, the westbound CNL 570. This train originates from the McMillan Yard and it's heading back to Aldershot Yard. All on this January 12th, 2024 on Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. I'm gonna get in the car. It's freaking warm out. Freaking hot. I mean, not freaking hot. I'm thinking about summer. It's freaking cold outside. I keep stuttering. Oh, look at another GO train. Look at that. We got a train race right there. We are striking the jackpots. Let's film the rest of the GO train, shall we? GO engine 6 something. 604, I believe. Alright, there's the end of those trains. Alright, here comes the next train scene. Roll it. Alright, we got a westbound GO train coming down the line. I heard them called CN1, so that means there's a westbound GO train. There it is. We have 300. Cab car 300. $6.58. All on this January 12th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Hold it. Now don't click away because we got more trains to come. There always is on Hunter Stewart Hobbies because you guys ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, we got VS75 coming down the line. We got 6424. 7 coaches. Symbol on this train is VS75. Oh, wait a minute. Are you kidding me? 609. We got a train meet. All right. VS75 originates from Union Station in Toronto, Ontario, terminates in Windsor, Ontario. And that GO train that was right there, that was, I don't know what the symbol is, whatever it is, it's heading to Union Station, all on this January 12th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. All right, we got a CN eastbound train coming down the line. We got 88. Hey! 2507 inspection boxcar. Wow, an inspection boxcar. This train is CNQ122. This train originates from the Markham Yard in Holman, Illinois, terminates out in the Rockingham Yard in Halifax, Nova Scotia, all on this January 12th, 2024 on Hunter Stewart Hobbies on YouTube. Stay out for the Amtrak in this video. We'll see. Wasn't expecting this train to show up today. Thought this train is usually an afternoon train, but it's now an evening ride. It's running late. As soon as I wrapped the video, the scene, then the CN train came. That could have been almost a triple meet right there. Wow. That one snuck up on me. All right. Let's see if there's any more trains coming. If not, this will wrap it up and end it. Here comes the next scene. Roll it. Alright, this will wrap it up for today's video, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn notification bells on, leave comments, and I will see you in the next video. Hunter Stewart Hobbies is signing off. Peace out, everybody, and have yourself a wonderful weekend.